In this video, you will learn how to use attributes and entities in practice. First, let's have a look at our attributes and entities settings. If you want to learn more about them, check out the video link in the description. We already have a custom location attribute created, as well as an entity with all the possible location options and their synonyms. This will allow the bot to recognize different variants of the location the user might enter. When that's ready, we can move on to our bot flow view and use it in practice. Firstly, let's add a question block in which we'll collect the user response to save it as an attribute and validate it with our entity. Next, add the following bot response to confirm the value of the collected attribute. Let's configure the question action. Firstly, provide a question that should be asked to the customer. Now select our custom entity to validate the provided response with the list of locations to which we deliver. Lastly, select an attribute to which the response will be saved. If the response does not match any of the locations mentioned in our custom entity, the question will be asked again, and the response won't be saved as an attribute. You can change what should happen when the answer is invalid by selecting one of the available options. We'll keep the default settings today. Now we can set up a simple bot response with a confirmation of the successfully selected location. To dynamically show the value of the collected attribute in the bot response, click on the attribute icon and choose Location. To test our setup, click on the Test Your Bot button and respond to the question with one of your entity variants. As you can see, the bot was able to recognize the location and send the user to the closest pickup store. That's it. Now you're ready to use attributes and entities in practice. They can be used in many different ways to validate or customize your conversations and improve your chatbot chatting experience.